Hey, welcome back to the latest episode of This Guy's Thoughts. Tonight's episode features a brew out of Flying Dog. This here is their Raging Bitch Belgian Pale Ale, or Belgian IPA, Belgian Style India Pale Ale. There's a lot going on in that label there, so we'll get into that real quick. Bottle cap. I'm assuming that's probably their logo. I don't know really a lot about Flying Dog. I think I might have had something by him in the past because the name it sounded somewhat familiar when I seen it and picked it up. This cost me $1.99 for the bottle. Anyhow, let's get to this label artwork there. You got this skinny ass dog barking or growling or something going on with that. To me, artwork wise, on my rating scale, one, it's like I didn't even try, to 5, it's very impressive. This, you know, I guess I like what they did here. They're trying to capture the eye. They gave it a name, Raging Bitch, that, I mean, it is what it is. The name's going to make you pick it up and think, what the fuck is this? I guess they did what they did. I like what they did here. So I give this a solid 4 out of 5. I like what they did. I'm not a huge fan of the weird dog there, but I get where they're going, and I like what they did with it. So, pretty good label art, what they did there. Anyhow, let's crack this thing open and see what she has to offer. Whoa. Got a little bit of surprise foam there. Luckily I made it into the glass. Was not expecting that. Alright, so creamy, thick, foamy looking head on that. We'll wipe that down a little bit. Enjoy that freaky ass dog artwork on there. Let's see here. It's more of a ambery color than I thought it would be. Hazy. Decent amount of carbonation on there. Aroma. Alright, earthy floral. Almost a banana, coriander. And almost a sweet, juicy flavor to it. But not citrus, not a citrusy flavor. Citrusy aroma, should I say. Man, it definitely smells like a Belgian style. Almost like a wheat ale to me. God, I just pick up that banana clove in there mostly. But anyhow, we had probably a little over a finger head. It's more, it's an off-white, not quite tan, but an off-white head on it. Well, I got a feeling this might be a malty tasting beer. I could be wrong, but this is 8.3% alcohol by volume, and it's 60 IBU. And again, it's they're a Belgian IPA, Belgian Style India Pale Ale. So, cheers. Not a huge fan. Taste. Orange peel. Definitely picking up orange peel, some lemon. Yeasty maltiness. light to medium bodied mouthfeel. Carbonation bubbles have died out for the most part. Yeah, I'm not really sold on this. I give it to him. Decent artwork, cool name. I don't know if it's a cool name. A name that makes you pick it up and look at it. I just don't think it's my thing. So on the chart here, 1, I'll never drink this again. 5, I'll go out of my way to drink this. Man, it's just, I don't want to say there's nothing special about it, because that does have a unique citrusy, not really citrusy, orange pill, lemon pill, maltiness going on here. Almost banana clove aroma and light flavor to it. Excuse me. So, hell, I'll probably go with one more drink. Yeah, I'm probably going to give this a 3.25 out of 5. I'm not really sure it's my thing. I won't pick it up and buy it again. Would I drink it again? Somebody gave it to me. I drank it again. So, 3.25 out of 5. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this. You've had it before. You had anything like it? You know anything about it? Anyhow, that's my thoughts.